What's up, Gunpla fans? This is Joe of Joe's Gunpla here with another video, and I got a package today. I'm expecting one more from the same place. So I don't know which item this is. It's like a surprise for both of us. Da-da-da. Really? Really? There we go. It's Japanese newspaper. Again! No. Looks like they had to make their own box. Because this is like a mishmash of two boxes here. There's a lot of tape. Lots of tape. Okay. You know, I gotta tell you, pretty soon, like in a year or so, I'm not gonna have to wait so long for these packages. Tell you about that later. Probably another video. But anyway. Bah. What could it be? Honestly, I have no idea. I don't know. It's one of two things. Okay. Okay. Gotta cut this off here. Okay, so I know what this is because I was able to take a peek. And the box is quite a bit bigger than I thought it would be. Have you figured it out yet? I certainly hope not. Because I like to surprise you guys from time to time. I like building the suspense. I feel like that's what I'm doing right now. Is building suspense. By not telling you what it is. So much tape. Okay. Okay. Alright, here we go. Are you ready? Oh, the box is dented. That sucks. Bam. Makube's Goof. Obviously it is based off of the Goof 2.0 Master Grade. And, man, there's a lot going on in here. There's a lot going on. Let's take a look at some things. Let's take a look. I like that blue. It's like a subtle, almost like a dark sea navy blue, but it's a little bit more subtle than like a navy blue. And it looks like you get the same runners again in a light blue, almost like a gray blue. Very cool, very cool. Are the feet red? Are the feet supposed to be red? Or is it just like this for like 2 parts because they figured they need just those two parts. I don't know. Because here's the same thing again. The same runner. With the dark feet. And the chest piece and stuff. And now, that's interesting. You got a yellow blade. And an orange blade. And you've got a clear mono eye, probably, and a clear visor, or a pink mono eye and a pink visor. That, I don't know, that's interesting to me. It's very interesting. So, I'm assuming the legs are different, because these are molded specifically for this kit. Because you got the head here. You got these legs here. Which, I mean, here are these legs here. Do you see much of a difference? Let's see if we can get this to focus. That's about as clear as I can get it. Here's that. Okay, take a good look. They look practically identical. And the color's the same too. I don't know, maybe something along with like the inner mechanical fit. I don't know. Figure it out when I build it in like 5 years. The gold heat whip. More of that dark blue. Okay. And then these look like fairly standard goof parts. You got 2 shields. 2 sets of shoulders. Jeez. I love these kits when they're like partial recolors, or like they need different colors on different sets. So you get like 3 of everything. the Zeta 3 real grade was like that. They had a few runners where you got 3 of the same runner, and you used different parts from different runners. It was just so you can get all the different colors. So much wasted plastic, but I'm sure they'll find a use for the shields. Maybe even the shoulder pauldrons, we'll see. That looks all fairly standard. There might be a few subtle differences, but I doubt it. And there's the goof hand. Did you even see what I was looking at? I was all like this, when I really should have been like this. This all looks pretty standard, but there may be some subtle differences. I doubt it, though. Okay, there. Now you got that shot. There's the hand. Would have been cool if we got 2 of those. And here's what everyone came to see. Look at those decals. Well, I guess these aren't actually decals. These should be water slides. And that is a fantastic emblem. Let's look at that. Look at that. I don't even know what it's supposed to say. Or be. But it's really cool. And then all that pretty gold. You know, okay, I understand Dozelzabi getting the gold treatment like that because he's kind of royalty in the timeline, you know. But Makube, he wasn't royalty. He must have done something pretty special for Kashyria to get that kind of special treatment. I don't know. So anyway, there's that. And my home phone is ringing. I'm sure you all want to know who that is. Sorry about that. Anyway, so you get the standard Goof 2.0 thing. Manual. There we go. Words. And then you get this extra insert. Little demonstration on doing water slide decals. Of course, I can't read that yet, although I am working on it. Man, look at that shield. That is gorgeous. That's the sheet that tells you where to apply everything. Oh, look, there's the red right there on the knees. Aside from the head, I don't see all that much difference in the mold, which is fine. And this will just tell you when to use the special parts as opposed to the normal parts. Looks like mostly, like I said, the head, the legs, the shield, and paint guide with a fantastic picture. Look at that. Okay. And how to apply these markings. So you cut it out, lay it down, preferably with tape. Give it a good rub down with a blunt object, or rather, I guess it would be like a soft tip pencil or something like that. Peel it away, and then buff it with a cotton swab, or a cotton bud Q-tip, if you will. Alright, so there you have it. Makube's goof. And someday I'll actually get around to building all these kits. Someday. Anyway, until next time, guys, happy building. I'm going to go answer my phone.